Hello again, guys. Today we're going to be replacing the high beam halogen bulb with a LED from Auxito. They sent me these to do a review on. This is the H7 style bulb, so we're going to go ahead and do that. If you like it, I'll leave a link in the description. Click on that and you can use my channel name for a discount. And I do receive a small amount of commission from the sale. It always goes right back into the channel. So let's get started. Alright, so the high beam is located right behind here. So what we need to do is remove this cover, and all you do is pull down this plastic part and it swings towards the engine. Move this out of the way. Watch out for your wiring. And this is tight. This is not a fun job at all by any means, but just move this out of the way and then you can get in there. And this light is held in by the same style retaining clip as the low beam. If you've done that before, so what you need to do is reach in here and grab that retaining clip. Try to get you a better view here. See the back of the connector there. So what we need to do is pull that out and off of the bulb. Alright, that black connector there, I'm going to pull that straight out. Alright, the connector is off. I actually went in there with needle nose pliers like this and grabbed the hold end of it, grabbed a hold of the end of it, and I pulled it out that way, but it's not too fun. Anyway, there's the back of the bulb. Just push in and up towards you and swing it out of the way. And then grab a hold of your bulb and pull it out. Alright, here we have our new bulbs from Auxito. It's model H7 with the cooling fan. You can see that there. Color 6500K, white. Let's open this up and take a look at it. Here's the manual. Gives you some installation steps here, but we know what we're doing, so we don't really need these. And here's the bulb itself. It has a little built-in cooling fan. You can see it there, it's a black fan. See the fan blades. About the same length. Okay, when we install this, it's going to go in like this. So the LED chips are going to be at 3 and 9 o'clock. So when you look at the headlight, this is what it's going to look like. So we'll insert it like this. You can see the low beam, how it's positioned. Same thing for the high beam. So I'm going to go ahead and insert it from the back like that. Now, a little tip when sliding this into position, you can always look through the lens at the front, make sure that you're going in the right way, and once you're into position, then you can go ahead and take your retaining clip over top of the housing and lock it into place. You kind of have to do this by feel because you can't really see in there that well, unfortunately. To make it easier, you could remove this intercooler piping, but that's a hassle too, especially down here with that clamp. So with some patience you can do it this way. So I have the bulb in position. I'm just going to put the connector back over top. Trying to show you what it looks like. So that's the bulb in position there. Now I can go ahead and put the connector back over top. Okay, let's try it out. Alright, you can definitely tell it's much brighter white light. That's just the high beam only. The low beam is not illuminated. You can hear the cooling fan in operation. And this is just the standard halogen over here. Now we can go ahead and replace this side here. It shouldn't be as bad. I might have to remove the battery cover. We'll see what happens. Alright, I can button this back up, put the cover back on. Just goes down that slot there, and you can push it straight up into position and it'll snap in. There we go. Okay, one side is complete. Alright, we're going to move these two screws and this battery cover. Just be careful not to lose the screws. Watch your hood cable when you're pulling this cover up and out of the way. Set this aside. Definitely going to have to remove this cover here for sure. Okay, I am going to remove the battery here. Remember, negative first, then positive. There's just no room here. Alright, terminals are disconnected. Now we have the hold down. This is a 13mm bolt. I have a 10-inch extension here to get at it. Just like that. I'll go ahead and loosen this up. I like to use a magnet, grab that bracket, pull it out of the way. Now the battery's free. This one's a nice one, has a handle, pull it up out of the way. Now we have plenty of room. Pop this out like this. Same thing as the other side, guys. Same setup. Except we have a little more room here. Okay, now we can grab a hold of the connector. I might have to get my needle nose pliers again, pull that out. Alright, the connector is off. Now I can reach in here and take that retaining clip off. Alright, the bulb is out. Okay, now we can take our new LED bulb, make sure the LED chips are at the 3 and 9 o'clock position, and go ahead and be careful you don't drop the bulb, and watch the retaining clip so it doesn't get in your way. You gotta have patience while doing this. Just slowly try to insert it. It helps to look at the lens in the front of the vehicle here, help guide you into the position you need to be. Alright, here we go. Oh man. Now we can take the retaining clip, slide it over top. Okay, I think that's in there. This little light popped out here. Put this back in. All right. That's what it should look like. Okay, now we can put the connector back on. All right, that's on there. All right, put the cover back on. There we go. Now I can put the battery back in, and then we can go ahead and try it out. That really looks nice. It looks really crisp and clean. Nice cool white look. I can't wait to try it out at night. That's high beams only. That looks really good. Okay, these are the low beams, and that's the Auxito H7 10,000 lumen high beam. Very impressed. It really brightens the roadway up. I like it a lot. There's low and high. Alright, that completes the LED high beam install. Thanks for watching, guys. Special shout out to Auxito. Check the link in the description and hit that like button. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.